Today is 21st February and we are arranging a workshop on rainwater harvesting. So these are class 9th B students and they are giving their views on rainwater harvesting. So I am inviting them one by one. Yes.
I am class 9B. I am giving speech on rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting and storing rainwater for many purposes is known as rainwater harvesting. It is one of the cheapest form of conserving water that store water for many purposes like drinking, and also it boiled to purify it. Thank you.
Myself Aditi Yadav of class 9B. I am going to give a speech on rainwater harvesting. There are different methods of rainwater harvesting. First one is surface rainwater harvesting. In urban areas, rainwater flows as surface runoff. This runoff could be stored and used for recharging aquifers by adopting appropriate methods. Good morning, teachers and students. I am Madhur from class 9B. I am here to speak on the importance of rainwater harvesting. As we all know, water is an important aspect of every living organism living on earth. And we humans leave no stone unturned to waste it out. So here is one of the processes to solve this problem, rainwater harvesting. The accumulation of water from rain is known as rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is an eco-friendly technique to save water. One of the significant aims of this is to construct primary resources of land and water to generate secondary resources. My name is Shikha Tomar. I am going to tell you what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater harvesting system provides water at or near the point where water is needed or used. It is eased in maintenance by owners and users. It is quite acceptable and its quality is
No.